This is Mahutas and Meras. Welcome to another solution tutorial of SolidWorks. Today we are going to solve this 3D problem. In this 3D problem, this is the isometric view, this is the top view, this is the right side view, and here we can see a cross-sectional line. And this is the cross-sectional view. First of all, I will start drawing from the top view. In the top view, I will draw a rectangle, and the rectangle will be drawn 25 by 30 unit, and after that drawing that rectangle I will extrude boss it to 15 unit. And before drawing the rectangle I will fillet here and here. It has a fillet of radius 8. Okay, first of all selecting the top plane, now sketch, now select center rectangle, now place the rectangle to the origin and dimension it to 30 by 25. Okay, now select the fillet option, now dimension it to 8 unit and now fillet this to side. Now press OK. Now you can isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and then extrude boss. Extrude boss it to 15 unit. Now press OK. In the sketch we can see we have a extrude cut here, and this extrude cut has a 10 diameter. So in this drawing I will draw the first of all this extrude cut of 10 diameter hole, because here you can see it has another offset, and this offset has a 1 unit length. And if we see that diameter also, and the total diameter is 12 unit and the extrude cut diameter is 10 units, so in the both side here and there I have a offset of 1 unit also. For doing this cut, I will use the shell features. I will shell it 1 unit in every length. So for using the shell features I will first extrude cut this part, then in the top face I will use the shell features. Okay, we'll see that. So first of all select this plane, select this surface, now sketch, now normal to it, now draw a circle of 10 diameter, and here we can see this 10 diameter circle is 12 unit apart from this line. So select smart dimension and now dimension it to 12 unit. Now isometric it for a better view. Now go to features and now extrude cut, and now extrude cut it to through all. Now press OK. So as I have offset of 1 unit here and also offset of 1 unit here and here, so I will shell features it to 1 unit. So I am selecting the shell features here. Now selecting the face, select this top face. Now if you want to see the preview, check the show preview option and dimension it to 1 unit. Now you can see I have gotten my offset of 1 unit in the boundary side, and also in the middle I have a offset of 1 unit of the circle also. So I am pressing OK. You can see we have done our shell features, but in the mini sketch we can see we don't have this part in here and in here, so I will extrude cut this portion. So for doing this I will select this face. Now I am selecting sketch, now select convert entities, now go to features and extrude cut, and now press OK. If you can use the extrude cut option and draw this offset manually as you want, but by using a shell feature you can save much time and it is quite convenient. So I recommend it to you use the shell features. So thank you for watching till the end.
Thanks for watching, and keep learning. Be different.